Hey guys, so I'm doing some hauling here at the Goodwill, and I found a couple of things. Let's see if I can show them to you real quick. First off, we got some HP ink 60XL. It's just 2 packs, which it should only be 2 packs according to this, so that's brand new. They only want $4, so I'm taking that. Then you got this. All of these boxes of breast milk storage bags. There's a bunch of them. Look at them all. And they want either $5 for some or $6 for others. But either way, I'm leaving them behind because even at half price, that's way too much money. That's way too much money. They only sell for like $12 a box, but they want $3 a box. You're basically only getting out of it what you put into it, and that's not worth it for me. So we'll see what else we can find. So here's something that I found. We got these Pampers twin packs of stage 3 baby bottle nipples, and there's 4 in the bag, and they want $3 for the bag. That's roughly 75 cents a piece. They're selling for $7, and multiply all that math times 4, I'll make about $10 a bag. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 bags. So that's $12 to make 40. I think that's decent. I wish I knew more about comic books, because there's a lot of comic books here. I just don't know much about comic books. Batman versus Superman, Deadpool, things like that. I'll probably take a few minutes and see if I can look each one of them up. But I doubt I'm going to come across anything awesome, because they want $6 a book. They're probably only going to sell for about $6 a book, so. So, I did end up finding one more item. It's a FootJoy windbreaker pullover. It does have a logo stitched on it, but that's okay because it's a local logo, and that's going to sell anyway. There we go. We got it. What I was saying was it's a local logo for a country club, and it's going to sell. Every time I get one of these logos for the country club specifically, it sells no matter what. I mean, it's a big one. Georgia golfers love this particular country club, so they'll pick it up even if they're from North Georgia. But those are the only things I ended up getting. Did you see those Jimmy Choo high heel shoes? Yeah, that's a good find, huh? $199. It's gotten ridiculous around here. The pricing has straight up gotten ridiculous. I'm not paying $200 for a pair of Jimmy Choos. I'm not even going to pay half price at $100 for a pair of Jimmy Choos in hopes that somebody will pick them up off of me. Nope, that's what they're doing around here. I did talk to the manager about those Medela breast milk bags. I thought maybe since they had been here for so long that they're on half price week, and they've been here the entire half price week and still haven't sold. I counted last week, there were 28 boxes. I counted this week, there were still 28 of the original $5.99 boxes, and plus more, and he wouldn't come off the price. I'm like, dude, you're not selling them for nothing. At least I'll give you something. I offered him $1.50 a box, which is technically 75% off from their original price. But he wouldn't budge. He said something I never heard. He said, if they don't sell, we have a distributor to give them to who will pay us for them. I didn't know that. I'm going to have to look into that more. But that's all we got for today's haul. It's a short one. Remember, we only do it on lunch breaks. So there it is. Y'all have a good one. Don't forget to subscribe. Give us a like. Share with your friends. We're going to start our podcast back up soon where we talk for about an hour. We might even bring some local other pickers into it. We've met a few as our picking excursions go on. But tell us what you think in the comments. Tell us what you want to see in the podcast. Catch you later.